Hello students, this is physics numerical 12th standard. Okay, आणि हो question दिला from the topic dual nature of matter and radiation. Okay, आणि question a photon of energy 3.4 electron volt is incident on a metal having work function of 2 electron volt. The maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons is equal to. Okay, now photonaची energy कितली हा 3.4 electron volt. Now it is incident on a metal surface. Okay, incident जातुकनी तेजी energy दोन हितून distribute जाता, that is work function and kinetic energy which is gained by photoelectrons. Okay, so the incident energy, that is energy of the photon, is given by h mu. Okay, h into frequency is equal to, gets distributed into what, work function plus kinetic energy which is given to the photoelectrons. Okay, so इथून तुमका kinetic energy किती मेळटली, मायनस वर्क फंक्शन. आता फोटोनाची एनर्जी कितली दिल्या, 3.4 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट आणि वर्क फंक्शन दिला 2. सो दिस इज 1.4 electron volt, kinetic energy of the photoelectron. Okay.